Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Tutorial Lore. Today I am going to teach you how to choose the best Shopify theme for your store. Be sure to stay throughout the whole video so you don't miss any steps. Hope you will like this video and subscribe to my channel Tutorial Lore. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Shopify app. First, you need to download the Shopify application from the Play Store and open it. Step 2. Access the theme settings. Once the app is open, tap on the three-line menu at the bottom. Expand it to full screen, then navigate to the Sales Channels section. Step 3. Go to the online store under Sales Channels. Find and tap on Online Store. After that, select the Manage Theme option. Step 4. Explore the Shopify Theme Store. Scroll down and look for the Visit Theme Store option. Tap on it to access Shopify's collection of themes. Step 5. Choose the best theme for your store. Here, you can browse through free and paid themes to find the one that best suits your store. Choose a theme that aligns with your brand and enhances your store's professional appearance. That's all for today's video. Hope you now understand how to choose the best Shopify theme for your store. If you have any questions, feel free to comment, and I will definitely reply or make a video on your topic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. It motivates us to create more tutorials for you. Thank you for watching.